In the last class, we have studied about the insertion in circular doubly linked list. In this class, we will study about the deletion in circular doubly linked list. Now, first, how to delete the node from the start. Let's see here. Three cases may arise. First one, when start is equals to null. Second case, when start is has single block, means single node. And third case, when start has more than one nodes. Okay. So when start is equals to null, we'll check with this block. Why? Because head is pointing this. Head is a variable which is pointing this address. Let's suppose it is 5000. So head is 5000. So with the asterisk of head, we can check this content, whether this content is null or not. So this is null, so we cannot delete any node. So in second case, when we have single node, how we'll check? This is, let's suppose this is 1000. This 1000 is stored here, and the address of this variable 5000 is stored inside the head. Now whenever we write asterisk of head, means we are writing content as 5000, that is 1000. So whenever we are talking about asterisk of head, we are talking about 1000 address. That is the first block. So if the first block's next address is first block itself, so what will happen here? So it indicates that it is a single node. Okay. So if this case executes, in that case we can say that we'll take a variable ptr which will point to this node. We'll make it free, means we'll delete this node, and finally null will be stored here. Because when we'll delete, this node will become empty, this list will become empty, and we have to store the null here. In third scenario, this is the third scenario. Now obviously this is pointer of head. Pointer of head is pointing first node because this is 1000. So what we'll do, we are telling that ptr is a variable which will also start pointing the first node, and here is not start, here is asterisk of head. Okay, that is asterisk of head. So what we are doing here, first ptr is pointing this node, tel is equals to asterisk of head ka prev. Asterisk of head is 1000, and prev means we are talking about the last node. We'll make the last node tel. Okay. Now we want to delete this node only. Okay, in that case what will happen, the head will start pointing head ka next. Let's suppose head ka next is 2000. So what the head will store? Head will store 2000 here, because head asterisk of head is pointing this node. that is 5000, that is head, and this is start. The address is 5000. So asterisk of head means we are talking about the first node. So it will become asterisk of head is equals to asterisk of head ka next. So asterisk of head ka next means we are trying to store 2000 here. So it will start pointing this node. Now telka next means we have to update this telka next. So telka next will be asterisk of head. What is asterisk of head currently? 2000. So it will start pointing the second node. Let's see how. Firstly, what we have done, head is a variable which is pointing the this address 5000. This is 5000. It is storing 100. Means whenever we are talking about the pointer of head, the content of head is 5000. What is the address is 5000? That is 1000. So we are talking about the first node. Whenever we are telling the asterisk of head, we are talking about the content of this node. We are talking about this first block. Okay. So I want to delete this node. So what I have done, PTR is pointing this node itself. Tel is this. Now what I am doing, the asterisk of head means this content. We are updating this content with asterisk of head ka next. Head ka next means 2000. So now the content of asterisk of head will not be 1000, it will be 2000. So now what we are doing, tel ka next means this block. In this block, what we are storing? Asterisk of head. What is asterisk of head today? 2000. So it will start pointing this. Again, pointer of head ka prev. Now what is pointer of head? That is 2000. So we are talking about the second node. Its prev portion is this. It will start pointing tel. Tel is this. And finally, we will make free PTR. So free PTR will remove this node. So this is the way how we can delete the node from the front of the list. Similarly, in the case of the second of the list, what will happen? Again, the three scenario. When start is null, yeah, asterisk of head is start or asterisk of head. Both we can say is null. So what will happen? Underflow, because we cannot delete. Now when it has single node, means we have single node, then asterisk of head next is asterisk of head, means the same node is pointing the same node. Next portion is pointing same node. So PTR will start point the first block with this syntax. This syntax will delete PTR, and finally asterisk of head will become null. So this is the second case. And third case, let's suppose we have three nodes. So this is head, asterisk of head or start. But start is not local variable of this function, so we'll use asterisk of head. So here 1000, here 2000, and here 3000. Here the 1000 address is stored, and here the 3000 address is stored, and here the 1000 address is stored. Now what we are doing, we have already considered PTR. One more thing I am writing here. PTR is equals to asterisk of head. Means with this syntax, PTR is pointing this node. Now head ka prev, sorry, no, this will not be here. This will not be. We have to delete at the last. So PTR is not pointing this node. let me remove it. What I want to say, head का prev means head का prev, this is the head, asterisk of head. Head का prev means we are talking about this node, that is head का prev is equal to 3000 and 3000 will be stored in prev, means PTR is pointing the last node, not the first node, because head ka prev means we are talking about the last node. Now one more thing I am telling, that tel will be PTR ka prev. PTR is this node. Now what is PTR ka prev? That is 2000. So tel will start pointing this node. Now since we have to delete this node, we have to make connection with this node properly. So tel ka next means this block will become head. This will start pointing the first node. Now head ka prev means this block will become tel. Means here the 2000 address will be stored and here the 1000 address will be stored. And finally we will make this node deleted. So this is the way how we can delete the node from the last of the doubly circular linked list.